What's up guys, it's me and I am back. In this video, I kind of want to see how well I can put my skills up to the test because I do want to try and keep uploading on this channel, and at the moment I'm literally out of ideas pretty much. Like, I hardly have any ideas on what to do on this channel, but I will try my best to do some more videos. I want to try and upload every week, but I am not going to promise that, just in case. But anyways, today we are going to do some maintenance on an engine. Here she comes. You can hear her. We are going to do some maintenance on this guy right here. This is my Bolton Albany Hudson. I bought this thing from a YouTuber named GoProNoppers Trains back in 2022, I think. So I had this engine for I think 3 years now, and over the time it's served me pretty well. And this thing is still a really good runner, but as you can see, you can still hear the gearing in this thing. And I do want to see if I can try and at least tone that down just a little bit. But let's see how my skills are paid off, I guess, if that's even the right word. Alright, I got the camera pointed at the table, and I have the model coming in right here. And I will get rid of the tinder for now because we don't need it at the moment. At the moment, we are just going to be looking at the Locomotive. Now, when it comes to Rivarossi engines, they are pretty easy to maintenance, but at the same time, they're also a bit tricky. But they are one of those engines that are pretty fragile, and you do need to at least be careful with them. So I'm going to take the trucks off, both front and rear trucks. Sorry if you can't see that. Alright, now get this off. Hot glue on there and take these screws out. There we go. We're on there kind of tight, I think. Yeah, they're on really tight. Alright, so now the body should come off. I do gotta be careful right here around the firebox area. But I also got to be careful that wires are attached to the motor. I think this is my least favorite part of a Rivarossi engine because you have to very carefully spread the firebox part out in order to get the chassis off, and it's not the easiest thing to do. There we go. I think I just about... Oh, I forgot about the grab irons. Hang on. I swear I always forget about damn grab irons. That is just so annoying. Come on. Oop, that's one out. Such an awkward position the way I'm trying to do this. There we go. Now it should come off. And it does. And luckily the wire is long enough for me to actually do some proper maintenance on this. Now here's one part that I absolutely hate doing, is removing these clips that hold in the motor. I never like doing that, but I know I have to because my Hiawatha, oops, sorry camera, it has these clips, and unfortunately I broke one, and it's this rear one right here. And I tried to fix it, the clip broke like I said. And now, if I do put another clip back on that place, the Hiawatha will not run. Oops, there goes that clip. And if I don't put it on there, Hiawatha does run. So I don't know what's going on there. I just hate how it's like that. It's easy does it. There it goes. I can tell this one's on pretty tight because of that wire right there. I think it just clipped back in, did it? No, it didn't. Okay. What if I put my finger right there? Come on. I do not want to break this thing. There we go. Just about got it. Come on, dude.
2,000 years later.
Yes. Yes. You are out. Yes. Okay. Gently pry this motor out. I think as far as I know, these are Rivarossi's own motor design. I don't know if That's true, but that's how I see it. But anyways, let's see if I can at least clean this stuff out. I am using 70% isopropyl alcohol. Pretty sure there's something better than that, but that is what I'll be using. You heard that whistle there. Get all this old grease out. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that? Zoom in on that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really glad I did this. Got some more of that as best as I can. Jeez Louise, dude, that is just... I see a big chunk in there. I clean that out without getting it on my fingers. I clean it out with this. It looks like freaking snot, dude. I know that sounds nasty, but Jesus Christ. So now I am going to take the cover plate off that holds the wheels in place. And looks like we might, oops, have a better result. Can't take that gear out, can I? It might give me better access. I don't think I can take it out. Well then, I might have to do my best to see what I can do. But if there is a way to get that gear out, my God, I would love to know, because that would make cleaning a whole lot easier. But if not, I'm afraid I'll have to deal without. I can't turn it by hand, can I? Nope. Well, I got some of it. It's not good, but you do what you gotta do. I'd love to clean that out, though. Hang on. I think this might be just a little bit easier. Oh yeah, this is just a little bit easier. Jesus Christ, look at that. That was all in there. Those came off. I'll deal with those in a bit. No big deal. May have to use something that's just a little bit thinner than a paper clip. Maybe a toothpick may be better, but I ain't got one. I actually just noticed something while cleaning the axles or cleaning the wheels on the tender. Check this out. What is that? I tried to wipe it off, but that looks like rust. At least it is coming off. But yeah, that literally looks like rust. So if anybody out there knows how to get rid of this, please let me know and I will do my best to look into it. But it looks like I did get some of it off. But yeah, I hope that's not rust. Just thought I pointed that out. But anyways, I will get this model back together and we will see it perform. All right, let's see if she runs. I do apologize if the table looks like it's a mess, but I did take the layout apart. If you guys saw my last video where I did an update, except I did a community post on why I took the layout apart. So like I said, I am going to be using this table for a stop motion studio. As you can see, I'm oiling the tender wheels and trying not to put too much in. Oops, got one on the wheel there. Wipe that off. Shouldn't be doing this with a dirty Q-tip. I'm doing it on the cleanest side. Okay. Let's see if our efforts have paid off. Look at that. Gearing is still noisy, but hey, at least she's running. I think that is a well-deserved maintenance. Yes, I do apologize that you're seeing this. This is supposed to be a passion project I'm working on. But yeah, it's running great. So that's a little bit of a tiny celebration. I thought I'd run this thing behind some Southern coaches or Crescent Limited coaches, or maybe in front of them. I don't even know the correct term anymore. But yeah, although the weird thing about this engine is that it has a very weird coupling. Sorry about the creakiness of my stool. But yeah, it's got that weird coupling thing, and I don't have another coupling to change it out. So I can only use the European style coupling on this thing, which kind of sucks. The other couplings, the horn hook couplings, don't work on it very well, and the knuckle couplings, they just work on that. But like I said, it only just works. But anyways, whoops, wrong way. Let's take this thing off. Oh yeah, that is not bad at all. Well, I can easily call this operation a full success. The engine's running great. Still a fair bit noisy. I guess it might be typical with Rivarossi engines unless you know how to tone them down a bit. But hey, it runs. And I'm happy that it runs. Well guys, that is going to be a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually enjoyed putting some maintenance on this thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and take care guys. I will see you in the next video hopefully, and I'm really hoping that I will not upload another year from now. Bye guys. It's good to be back. I had a really, really great break. And thank you guys for being there for me. Like, it really, really does mean a lot. Alright, take care guys. Okay. Clean the insides of the wheels, because I think that's where contact is most appropriate. Oh, I gotta clean that gear too.